So coming from the previous video, as we have discussed about the relating of the two figures for the sun's path during summer and the sun's path during the winter. So as I told you earlier in that video itself, that this sun path diagram is used for two purposes. So one is for better harnessing or better tapping or better utilization of the solar energy. Secondly, for the orientation of the building. So let us now consider about how we have to tap the solar energy. So if we want our home to be eco-friendly, if we want to tap the solar energy, so how should be the orientation of the solar panels? That is, how should be the direction of the solar panels in the building such that it will get maximum solar energy from the sun. So this we have to divide in two parts. As I said you earlier, summer and winter, we have divided the seasons into two categories here. So we can observe here in the summer season, the sun's path is from northeast to northwest. This is in the case of northern hemisphere. And for the northern hemisphere itself, the sun's path during winter is southeast to southwest. So now if you consider in the summer season, okay, installation of the solar panels on the roof of the home in the direction northeast or the northwest. Okay, I am telling it again. So for the installation of the solar panels, if we consider the summer season, okay, for installation of the solar panel, so northeast, so this is the northeast region and this is the northwest region. So if our solar panels is located in the northeast region and the northwest region during the summer, it will help us to get more solar energy because the sun's direction will be from northeast to the northwest. And exactly at 12 p.m. or midday or afternoon, so we will get the maximum sun rays to harness the solar energy. One thing we have to note, right at the start of the, or we can say at the sunrise, from the sunrise, the intensity of the sun's rays will go on increasing and it will reach the peak at the noon. So why it is like that? So at the sunrise, from the sunrise up to noon, the sun will be at some angle to us, right? The sun will be at some angle to us. So that will be not much intensified sun rays. But when you consider the sun's position exactly at the noon, it is directly above our head, right? It is directly above our head and that will be the more intensity. So sun rays will be falling like this. So it will be having more intensity. During the other time of the day, from the sunrise to the noon, so the sun rays will be like this at the angle. So at the angle, it will not be much intense. So at the noon, exactly like this, the sun rays will be there. So it will be having much intensity. So at the noon, the solar panels can tap most of the energy. Okay. So this is during the summer. So coming to the winter part, if we are installing the solar panels in the southeast direction and the southwest direction, okay, southeast direction and the southwest direction, so that will help to tap us more solar energy because the sun's path will be in the southeast direction to southwest direction and maximum solar energy can be tapped at the afternoon time. So this is about how to tap the solar energy. Okay, so we can actually use solar panels on our roof even to produce electricity of minor quantity. And if we can use the solar heaters, okay, the solar heaters will always be there for heating purpose. So we'll get hot water for our bathing. So we can use the different equipments for getting the solar energy. So accordingly, we should install the solar panels. So next we have to think about the orientation of the building. So that is the orientation of the different rooms. So what should be the best directions, okay, to orient our building or to orient the different rooms in the building? So here we can see in the sun path diagram, they have standardized some directions to locate those rooms in that particular direction. So if we go with the bedroom, so here you can observe the arrow mark is pointing from here till here. Okay, so this part, this complete part is the southwest region. Okay, this complete part is the northwest region. So the arrow mark is indicating that the bedroom can be located from northwest direction till southwest direction, right? So preferably the southwest direction should be taken as the ideal direction for location of the bedroom. Then coming to the living room. So the living room arrow, let us see here. So from here, right from the west direction, this complete region is southwest. Okay, here this complete region is southwest up to southeast. So that is, the living room can be given from the southwest region up to the southeast region. Okay, either southwest region or the southeast region according to this arrow mark. Then considering the dining room, so consider this arrow mark here. Okay, this is the same thing again, southwest or the southeast, southwest or the southeast. So then kitchen, so some part is in the southeast region and some part is in northeast region. So the kitchen can be either given in southeast region or the northeast region, but southeast region would be the ideal direction for providing the kitchen. Okay, so this is all about how the orientation of the different rooms in the building should be done. So this is all about the sun path diagram.